everyone, welcome to my channel. Susan's Just Making It. I'm Susan, and as always, I'm here making stuff, messes, chaos, and just trying to make it through life. If you've been here before, welcome back, and if this is your first time watching, welcome to my channel. Hope everyone's doing great, and if you like today's video, don't forget the thumbs up. So today, I will be showing you what I received in my May Eyescream Beauty Box. Now, this month, Eyescream Beauty gave us a choice between two palettes to choose for our palette of the month. The palettes are from Gourmande Girls, and one was like more grungy color leaning palette, and one was more bright pastelish leaning palette. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this, and hopefully they sent the palette that I chose. So as always, bring a wastebasket over here because all the packing peanuts and stuff like that. The card for the month, and the theme is Cyber Garden. And I'm just going to put these packing peanuts over here out of the way so I can actually get into the box. I'm kind of curious. I'm going to have to scope out some of the Eyescream Beauty unboxings to see kind of who chose what palettes this month, since we had a choice. And we had a choice between Power and Virtual. I believe Power, let's see if I can put my glasses on because I can't read, this is so small. These palettes were both designed by Cosmetic Peaches and have the amazing Gourmande Girls formula. Try the quality for yourself. Gourmande Girls is both a woman-owned and Latina-owned business. This month we had two options: a colorful palette, Virtual, that is perfect for spring and summer, as well as a more muted grunge palette, Power, that is perfect for every day. Both of these are only available at Eyescream Beauty. Did not know they were exclusive to Eyescream Beauty. So these retail for $33 a piece, and yes, I did get the Powder palette, which is the one I chose. Usually I save the palette for last, but since there was a choice, I thought I would just go ahead and grab it and go with it. So this is what the packaging looks like. Very nice packaging. This is my first Gourmande Girls palette, so glad of that. It's always nice to try new brands. Take the color saver away, and this is the color story. Real grungy green. Top row here is kind of neutral. Of course, we got our black, and then we have these green and gold grungy colors. And this, I can already tell, is a duochrome. I don't know if it's going to show the shift. See how it's like tan there and more green there. So that one's definitely, and this one's more of a glitter. And the names are Dystopia, Grime, Dark, Survivor, Sci-Fi, Infinity, EXE, Trance, and Aesthetic. So excited to get a chance to play with that. Just put that aside for now. Okay, I'm just going to pretty much follow the card, I guess, since I started with a palette, and everything's kind of laid in the box. Pretty easy to grab, unlike sometimes. The next item is Bel Air Lip Liner by Gerard Cosmetics, which retails for $16. It says this color was chosen by the owner of Gerard Cosmetics herself, and we are so glad she picked it. It is perfect for any look and is universally flattering. These liners are so creamy that they can be used all over your lips as well, not just to line your lips. That's nice to know. And this is a lip liner, and the color is very pretty, and I like the gold packaging. And I'll just go ahead and swatch it so we can see what the color actually looks like. Very pretty color. So I'm happy to have that. It's very creamy. So I like the packaging, I like the color, and I like the texture of it. So happy to have that. So far, 2 for 2. The next item on the card is Liquid Duochrome Eyeshadows by Chantico Beauty. It retails for $29. No, it's not 29, it's 19. Blind even with the glasses on. $19. We are including an extra liquid duochrome shadow to help complete the eye look for both palettes. This can be used as a highlight on the inner corners and brow bone, or as an eye shadow topper. It looks absolutely stunning over almost any matte shades. And that would be two things here. I took my glasses off too soon. Okay, it's got to be this one. I see the name brand down here. Again, the packaging is super cute. And we'll see what this looks like if I can get it open. Hopefully I don't rip the box until I know for sure that I'm keeping it and I put it away. Yes. This is really cute too, the packaging. And I probably am going to keep this, so I'll go ahead and swatch it. So far I'm going to keep everything. I'm very happy with everything so far. We'll just do that swatch for that. Oh, this is really pretty. I can see what they mean about inner corner or a topper. So that's, loving that. I'm seeing it go from pink and I see some blue. I don't know if it's showing that well for you guys, but I can definitely see the shift. Very pretty. So let's put that aside. Next item. So far 3 for 3. Let's see. It's on. 3D Rose Blusher by Swarovski US, and this retails for $30. This blush has been all over TikTok. You can use a finger or a flat brush to pick up product and apply it to your face. If you want a very light blush of color, you can use any fluffy brush. This is definitely made to stay on any, excuse me, any makeup vanity. It's too cute. And it reminds me of, I think it's, is it Winky Lux that has the rose blushes? This is what it looks like. It's in like a tin. And it looks like it got smushed on the top a little bit. But I'll just take like a makeup wipe and see if I can just wipe it off. I'm sure it'll come off. And this is what it looks like. And I think on the website, because I checked the spoilers, there were 4 different shades and you can get one of 4. And this is the color that I got. It's very red. I think when I try this out, I'm going to go very light-handed. But very pretty. And like they said, it would look really pretty being displayed. Like I said, I'm just going to wipe that off. No big deal. 4 for 4 so far. Very happy with this month's box so far. And it looks like we have one more item. So this month we had 5 items, because you get 5 to 7 for $25, shipping included. High Pigment Gloss by Beauty for Certain retails for $22. Beauty for Certain is a brand created by rap artist B.I.A., best known for her song Whole Lotta Money from her For Certain album. This lip gloss is hydrating, non-sticky, long-lasting, and lightly plumping. It gives your lips extra shine with a smooth finish that you can build up to your desired intensity. And take that off, this is the glare. And here's the packaging on that. And let's see what this looks like. Wow. Some really bold packaging there. And we'll see what this looks like. Okay, it looks really light on the doe foot, and it says you can build it up, so let's kind of see. It's really light. And obviously I'm swatching it, so I'm going to keep it. I like to use gloss over like a matte lip color, so I want to use it. It's pretty light. I don't know if you can really see it. It's right here. It's just got like a peachy color to it, peachy orange, and it's really light. I'm assuming you really have to build it up to get a tint to it, but not unhappy with it. So let's see. To recap, Gourmande Girls choice one of 2 eyeshadow palettes. I got the Power. This retailed for $33. The really pretty blush, and they have 4 different shades. You get one of 4, and this retailed for $30. We have the lip gloss, which the retail on that was, can't see that very well. I don't know if I mentioned or not. $22. I think $22 is a little high for this myself, for not really noticing a lot, but I will definitely use it. Then we have the really pretty lip liner that I showed here, and this is from Gerard Cosmetics and retail for, my goodness, 16. Yeah, not bad, I don't think. And then we had the I was trying to see, it's a duochrome. I want to make sure if it was duo or multi-chrome. The duochrome liquid eyeshadow, which is very, very pretty. So totally thrilled with the palette, and this and a lip liner are my 3 favorites. Again, here's the eyeshadow up here, the liquid eyeshadow. So of the 5, my favorites, the palette, the lip liner, and the liquid eyeshadow. This is okay, and this is kind of okay. Very pretty for display, but I'm not sure about the color. I'll have to try it out. So that's the 5 items received in this month's Ice Cream Beauty Box. 5 to 7 items every month, full size, $25, shipping included. So it's $25 flat, which is impressive to me. 5 items for $25, that's $5 a piece. You know, so each item alone at $5 is an extremely great value. So let me know what you think down below in the comments of this month's Ice Cream Beauty Box. Which palette would you have picked? Obviously I don't have a picture of the other one, but if you watch another unboxing and you see the other one, you know, which palette did you like, and what was your favorite item this month? I'm always curious what your opinions are. So feel free to let me know below. Thanks for taking a few minutes out of your day to join me, and until the next video, bye everyone.